in regards to RAG and data, like there's a lot of experts who like they have expertise and knowledge, so you could build them their digital twin. Like how can they trademark that?
Exactly. I mean, some of the speakers were alluding to that about individuals having their own, creating an economy of knowledge, rather than the tacit assumption that the half a dozen oligarchs who control AI have, is that all the data they can see is theirs to grab. Instead, we believe you own your own data and you get to choose how to monetize it. But you might also want to choose your private collection of experts that you want to draw upon. And so what Ben was talking about earlier on was about a distributed graph knowledge base, where it's not just your knowledge, but you get to pick the 200-300 experts, and when you do the query, it's drawing from their knowledge. And not necessarily free, that might be a paid service, but it allows each of us to construct our own expert council, for instance, from a distributed knowledge base. So I'm talking through your, yeah, carry on. Great, okay.